Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make materials in Unreal Engine. So, okay, my brother's down here, so, so right click, material, I think it was W_master. I think this is the 7th one, so then double click on it. Okay. So double click on it, and then open your content drawer. Right click again, import to game. So I'm currently in my files. So import whatever texture you have. Mine's like wood, rotten wood, because I'm making a horror game, which makes sense. So, oh yeah, by the way. So you can click on 3 and click, and you get this. It's this is the simple way of texturing something, but if you want a really realistic, get an image. Yeah. So you go to the content drawer and put your image and drag it in there. RGB and connect it to the base color. And there you go. Isn't that cool? So that's how to make your texture really quick. Now make sure you apply it, because I'm not sure if you're going to lose your progress, which you might. So you need to apply it. It doesn't do auto save for like material, but it does, yeah, I don't know. So then, there's your, I'm trying to look for it. There it is, right there. And this part's really easy, but if you want to watch this part, you can. So then, import a cube, and then drag the material on right here. And then, boop, there you go. You made your first texture and material in Unreal Engine 5, or whatever your version you have. Thanks for watching, listen, bye.